You may have smoked for 10, 20, even 30 years. This recipe will cleanse your lungs filled with nicotine. It's truly amazing, like getting brand new lungs. Some people were even using oxygen tanks. But with this simple home remedy, you can start to heal. In the past, many people lived long lives because they relied on natural remedies. But today, these remedies are slowly being forgotten. Most people don't want to use them anymore. If you love natural healing, you'll want to learn this recipe right now. And if you're watching this video, share it with someone struggling with lung problems. This recipe is my small contribution to help you breathe with new lungs. You will feel renewed, just like this fresh sprout. This here is the imbu sprout. Remember, it's made from the sprout, not the fruit. Take one fresh sprout, chop it finely, boil it in 1 liter of filtered water, strain it, pour into a bottle, and it's ready to drink. Take 50 milliliters daily for 15 days. It's the best treatment you can do, the imbu sprout. This little sprout is packed with natural compounds that help cleanse years of nicotine buildup from your lungs. Nothing works better. The imbu sprout is number 1, the very best. Small but powerful. Have you ever tried a lung remedy like this? Let's talk in the comments. Comment yes if you enjoy videos like this. And don't forget to follow me for more natural health tips.